Hello and thank you for checking out ARG Cartoon Animation. The studio was founded in 1994 by Artie Romero. In 1981, Artie directed his first animated cartoon, and in 1982, it aired nationwide on America Rocks. In addition, Artie's animation has been featured in 4 motion pictures. The ARG Studio has completed various projects for major companies such as Duracell, Safeco Insurance, PBS, Hewlett-Packard, Bell Atlantic, AT&T, and many others. ARG's most recent projects include animated corporate videos for Merck Pharmaceuticals, Kaiser Permanente, HarperCollins, and a segment intro for the Academy of Television Arts and Sciences Emmy Awards program. ARG has produced projects for over 600 smaller companies as well. And in 2009, ARG animated several SpongeBob SquarePants games specifically for the iPhone, contracted by MTV Networks. The ARG Studios are currently staffed with 25 talented artists, animators, and interns. Their animation is all done in HD, 1080p, or larger. You'll find them as members of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating and 0 complaints. With outstanding references, ARG has produced more than 40,000 animated cartoons thus far. Having been in business for more than 16 years, ARG's execution is nothing short of fast, efficient, and professional, from production to project completion. As an extremely competitive company, ARG utilizes the most cost-efficient technology and thus can match any competitive rate. Thank you again for your interest in ARG Cartoon Animation. Call Artie Romero directly to discuss the details of your next project.